But before I do, I want to tell you about my friend named Jack. Now, Jack was very unfortunate because Jack did not have a face. Alright? What kind of a pumpkin would you be, or a jack-o'-lantern would you be if you didn't have a face? So he went down to the Vaughn's House of Plastic Surgery. Alright? And he said, give me a new face. So, the plastic surgeon, Dr. George, came out with none other than a plastic knife. And he started going away, cutting away at Jack's face. Said, I'll make you all nice. You're going to get tons of dates when I'm done with you. Alright? So we made a few incisions. Then Jack looked at himself in the face, or in the mirror rather, and he's like, I really don't look that much different. What's the matter here? Well, the doctor said, you gotta go home and you gotta take 2 prescriptions. The first prescription, he said, you gotta take with hydrogen peroxide. The second prescription, you need to just take with some water. Now, before I talk about this first prescription, I want you guys to help me out here and see if you know anything about hydrogen peroxide. Anyone happen to know the chemical formula?
Oh.
All right?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen and H2, and what other element do you think is in here? Peroxide, so it's oxygen. H2O2, all right? This is hydrogen peroxide. Do you know why we keep it in this dark bottle? Okay, like if you go to a CVS, you can pick up isopropyl alcohol, but it's in a clear bottle, right? Why do they keep hydrogen peroxide in a dark bottle? What do you think it's keeping out? The sun, light, okay? Now, I'm sure you all have put this on a cut before, and what happens when you put it on your cut?
It burns.
It bubbles up. That's oxygen gas being released, right? That happens naturally with hydrogen peroxide. We call this a decomposition reaction, but it kind of degrades into oxygen gas and water. Okay? So, sunlight makes that happen faster. That's why we keep it in a dark bottle so it doesn't happen as fast. The chemical or the prescription we're going to use today speeds this reaction up very, very quickly. Okay, it's going to cause a instant release of oxygen gas. And that prescription is called manganese dioxide. All right? So, his first prescription he's going to take with manganese dioxide and hydrogen peroxide. All right? Second prescription he's going to take is a little bit more dangerous. It's a little bit more reactive. It's a substance known as calcium carbide. Okay? And just by the way it's packaged, you can tell that it's a little bit more intense. All right? It's not even kept in a plastic bottle, it's kept in a, yes. All right? This reacts violently with water. Okay, as soon as it hits water, it creates another gas. Before I do that, before I open that up, one other thing I forgot to do. Jack needs a little assistance from the back here. So I'm just going to... Don't ask me exactly what I'm doing. It's kind of personal. Alright. Alright, Jack. Alright, that should be good. Okay, now we're going to put some of the calcium carbide in with the water. And again, I'll let you know when it's going to happen, so you don't have to prepare just yet. I will say this creates a pretty loud boom. If you are sensitive to loud noises, I suggest plugging your ears. Can we actually get the blinds to go down, shut off the lights, and make it a little bit cooler in here? Now, before we do this, let me go over one other major thing. The second prescription that he's taking with water, calcium carbide, like I said, it reacts violently with water. It produces a gas known as acetylene. How many of you have heard of that before? Okay? Acetylene is a hydrocarbon gas. Think of it kind of like propane. It's very, 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 very flammable. Okay? Hydrocarbons contain carbon and hydrogen. All right? So for a combustion reaction, it's very important to have something flammable and then the presence of oxygen. All right? So we're going to essentially create the perfect storm inside Jack's body, and then we're going to give him a little kick from behind, and hopefully we can get him to have his space. All right. I'm actually going to have probably you guys at least get up and stand off to the side.
TJ, that's you. So everybody's going to get up and move.
Just because you never know. You just never know. All right.
It would have been better if you fell off. But then you probably would have gotten in trouble.
Just blame Mr. George.
Actually looks like little gravel pellets. Not exactly, but.
How do you think I feel? I'm wearing glasses over these. I'm just glad I can see my phone.
Okay, what we're going to do to ignite Jack is I have here a grill sparker. Everyone see that spark? Okay, just what you would see on a normal gas grill. And we're going to put that in from behind. Let me put my earplugs in just
Years of rock concerts have ruined me, so no loss on hearing.
Alright. Sorry it's taking so long. It's building up the suspense. Now it will happen quick, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the chemicals in. I'm going to put Jack's head back on. I'm going to wait about 5 to 10 seconds and we'll ignite. Yes. Yeah, there we go. That's awesome. That was fantastic.
That's scary.
That's awesome. Huh? Yeah. Oh my God. Awesome. What's that? Plastic surgery. That was loud.
Sounds like a firecracker.